test kit should be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Before testing, bring all reagents to room temperature, around 25 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. Gently shake the reagent bottles before use. Take out the frame of the microplate along with the required number of wells. Then place the unused microplate wells into the sealed bag. Return the remaining kit to the refrigerator. Dilute the concentrated wash buffer by a factor of 20, concentrated wash buffer / deionized water equals 119. Put the required number of the wells on the plate and set up 2 wells each for negative/positive control. Add 50 ml of negative control to each negative control well. Then add 50 ml of positive control to each positive control well. For each sample well, first add 40 ml of working wash buffer. Then add 10 ml of the sample. Add 50 ml of antibody solution to each well. Cover with adhesive membrane and incubate at 37 degrees Celsius, water bath recommended, in the dark for 30 minutes. Discard the liquid from the wells. Add 350 ml of working wash buffer to each well. Let stand for 30 seconds, then discard. Repeat 5 times. Invert the plate and tap it against a thick absorbent paper or lint-free cloth, with a soft towel placed underneath. Add 100 ml of HRP conjugate to each well. Cover with adhesive membrane. And incubate at 37 degrees Celsius in the dark for 30 minutes. Same as previous washing step. Add 50 ml of substrate reagent A to each well. Then add 50 ml of substrate reagent B per well. Cover with adhesive membrane. Shake gently for 5s. And incubate at 37 degrees Celsius in the dark for 15 minutes. Add 50 ml of stop solution to each well and shake gently for 5s. Read absorbance, a value, at 450 nanometers with microplate reader, with 630 nanometers as a reference wavelength. Finish this step within 10 minutes after stop the reaction.